If you'd like to see more how-to upholstery videos and learn more tips and tricks, click the subscribe button to keep up to date with our latest videos. Click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up so we can make more content that you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do pleats on a front curved arm. So what I start off by doing here is pulling the fabric round, pulling the fullness out towards the front of the arm. So as you can see, I use my hand to pull the fabric round, and I use my finger to hold it down and then staple it with the gun on the line that I need to staple it. Out. Maybe don't staple your finger. So as you see, I'm working up with the fabric, working my way up, keeping it smooth, using my finger to hold the fabric down, using my hand to drag the fabric forward. As I start to move up, you can see that I'll start to get folding. You'll start trying to work it round, but there'll be too much fabric, so that's where you make your first pleat. There's also a regulator you can use to help you with the folds that I do later on. Next pleat, try and keep them even gaps between them. And the reason you go down with the pleats is because they can gather dust. So always go down with the pleats. As you can see, I get to the top at a point where it gets nearly to the centre. I start going the other way because obviously if you keep going the same way, you're going to get dust that will gather in the pleats. So you start going the other way. As I work my way around, keeping the pleats a nice even gap between them, I'm using a long nose gun, which helps to get into the smaller spaces. As you can see, the gun's got a long nose on it, quite helpful. And this way I've started going the other way. You can see I'm going down now as I'm working down the other way. I'll start moving the pleats downwards in the other direction. So, like I said, they don't gather dust. So when you're done with the arm, when you're done with one side, basically you look at it and you match it on the other side. Always do the same amount of pleats in exactly the same amount of space on the other side. It needs to look even, an exact copy on the other side. Like the ladies say with their eyebrows, they need to be sisters, not twins. In this case, on a sofa with two arms, they need to be twins, not sisters. They need to look exactly the same. As you can see with this job, the arm is all in one. So as I bring the outside arm down, I'm just working the fabric round. And getting rid of any excess fabric and making sure it's nice and smooth. As you can see, I'm making a cut as there's a bit of wood, so I have to cut around the fabric so I can fold the fabric down on the front of the arm so it gives you a nice finish. Cutting away excess fabric now. So I'll cut off all the excess fabric, and anything else that I can't get will be hidden by the facing, which will go on later, which is a bit of wood cut to the shape of that roundness with a bit of foam, and it'll be upholstered with piping around the edge. Here's the finished product. Both facings on with piping around them, beautifully finished. Thanks for watching.